Hi guys, so this is how to prepare a editable SVG file using Inkscape. Inkscape is a bit weird. It might be like this when you open the SVG file. Let's view the text panel first. Click this T icon over here. Click the text and choose your font with this text panel. Click Apply. Click this text tab. Double click here and type your name, and then click Apply. Resize and position your text until it touches the top and bottom bar here. When you're done, click Path menu, click Object to Path, click Object menu, and click Ungroup. Select all these letters, hold Shift, and click the ornament. Click the Path menu. Select Union. So let's check the cut line to make sure our file is correct. Click this icon to view Fill and Stroke panel. Click the object and click the Stroke Paint tab. Click the flat color. For the fill paint, click No Paint. So here's what it's supposed to look like. The text is correctly welded to the ornament. Save as another name. Choose plain SVG instead of Inkscape SVG. And that's it. You're ready to cut.